We'll guide you through how to use email parser in Zapier. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the My Apps section and search for Email Parser by Zapier. Click on it to start setting it up. You'll see an option to create a new mailbox. Click on that, and Zapier will generate a unique email address for you. This is the address that will receive the emails you want to parse. Next, send a test email to this address so you can create a template for parsing. Once the email is received, click on View Emails in the Email Parser dashboard, and click on the email you just sent. This is where you'll set up the parsing rules. Highlight the information you want to extract, like names, dates, or any other details, and assign a label to each piece of data. This tells Zapier what to look for in future emails. After setting up your template, go back to the Zapier dashboard and create a new Zap. Choose Email Parser by Zapier as the trigger app and select the mailbox you've just set up. Then, set the trigger event to New Email and continue to set up your Zap. Now, you need to choose an action app where the parsed data will be sent. This could be anything from Google Sheets to Slack or even another email address. Configure the action with the parsed fields you've labeled, so each piece of data goes to the right place. Finish setting up the Zap and turn it on. From now on, whenever an email is sent to your email parser address, the data will be automatically extracted and sent to your chosen app. It's a great way to automate data entry and save time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.